This is related to our presentation I gave to high school students cut down to 3 minutes. And it all started one day on a plane on my way to TED 7 years ago. And the seat next to me was a high school student, a teenager, and she came from a really poor family. And she wanted to make something of her life, and she asked me a simple little question. She said, "What leads to success?" And I felt really badly because I couldn't give her a good answer. So I get off the plane and I come to TED, and I think, geez, I'm already in the middle of a room of successful people. So why don't I ask them what happened to them did and pass it on to kids? So here we are, 7 years, 500 interview later, and I'm gonna tell you what will lead to success and makes TED started. And the first thing is passion. Freeman Thomas said, "I'm driven by my passion." TED stars do it for love. They don't do it for money. Carol Coletta said, "I would pay someone to do what I do." And the interview thing is, if you do it for love, the money comes anyway. Work. Rupert Murdoch said to me, "It's all hard work. Nothing comes easily. But I have a lot of fun." Did he say fun, Rupert? Yeah, TED stars do have fun working, and they work hard. I figure they are not workaholics. They are workaholics. Alex Garden says to be successful, good. Successful, put your loads down in something and get them good at it. They are no magic. It's practice, practice, practice. And it's focus. Norman Jason says to me, "I think it all has to do with focusing on one thing."
And push. Dave Gallo said, push yourself. Physically, mentally, you've got to push. You got to push it through shyness and self-doubt. Carly Han says, "I always had self-doubt. I wasn't good enough. I wasn't smart enough. I didn't think I'd make it." Now, it's not always easy to push yourself, and that's why they invent mother. And the other said to me, "My mother pushed me." So, Shamin Nuran said, "It was a privilege to serve as a doctor. Now, a lot of kids tell me they want to be millionaires, and the first thing I say to them is, okay, really can't serve yourself. You got to serve others something of value, because that's the way people really get rich." Idea. TED still Bill Gates said, "I had an idea. Founding the first microcomputer software company. I'd say it was a pretty good idea. And there's no magic to creative in coming up with ideas. It's just doing some very simple things. And I give lots of evidence." Persist. Joe Kraus says, persistence is the number one reason for our success. You've got to persist through failure. You got to persist through crap, which of course means prison, rejection, assault, and pressure. So the answer to this question is simple. Pay $400 and come to TED. Or failing that, do the 8 things. And trust me, these are the big 8 things that lead to success. Thank you, TED, for all your interviews.